Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to insert a Google Sheet into a Google Doc. Like and subscribe, support the channel, let's get started. Open the required Google Sheet document from which we will copy the data and Google Doc to which you want to copy the data. From your spreadsheet, highlight the data you want to copy and select Edit, then Copy, or use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C. Now in your Google Doc, click where you want to put your table and then select Edit, then Paste, or use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V. From the Paste Table window that appears, select Link to Spreadsheet, then click Paste. The selected data from your spreadsheet will appear with the original formatting still intact in your doc. And now when we change the data in the Google Sheets document, all changes are reflected in Google Docs by simply clicking Update. Your table is updated and the Update button disappears, indicating this table reflects the most recent version of your spreadsheet data. That's it. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.